Hello, this is Thomas with Pierre, Hedary, Classic Mercedes Benz YouTube creator. Today's video is on a how to do. Please forgive all the noise in the background. I hope you do get something out of it. And again, I want to say thank you so much for liking, sharing our videos. And please subscribe if you haven't already.
Alright, so sometimes you need a little help getting these bolts off, and it's okay to use a pair of vice grips. Probably the most useful tool ever invented for this job. Loosen up some more. Getting to this bottom bolt in a turbo diesel is even worse. So sometimes you have to use vice grips the whole way through. Rebuilt unit, which I don't trust 100%. So, changing your voltage regulator, as long as your brushes are about 10 meters tall or so, you should be fine. The other trick with these things, of course, is getting them lined up. It's always better to sometimes you can, and sometimes it's just overly complicated, but it's better to hold the regulator flush as you screw the screws in. Also, this is a lot easier cold. You shouldn't try to do this in a hot engine. Why Bosch is using these rebuilt regulators and these cheap screws makes no sense to me. It's like another ploy to save money. They're still making new regulators. It's just why are they using stuff that's probably not going to produce optimal voltage? The screws that they tried to use. Well, these are the screws they use courtesy of the Red Hardware Company of Mao Zedong from Kunming, China. Let's see what happens now when I hook the battery back up. We're going to make sure we don't have any arcs. Little arc. Nothing crazy. By the way, you should use a wrench to do this, but I just want to make sure it's seated firmly. And now we're going to attempt to start the vehicle again and see if we get what kind of voltage. 11.2. So now the next question is, where is my voltage going? Do I have a drain somewhere? It's really not that good. We're going to start checking for just a weak ass alternator. Enough. No battery. I'm getting like 15 volts, which is good. That's right against the regulator. So it means that somewhere in this car I have a wide battery break. Question is where? Got an antenna. $15 is a common fuse for a battery drain. So eventually I did find the issue with the 300 SD. It turned out to be that the power antenna motor just doesn't want to do its job. So that's no fun. Anyway, if you choose to troubleshoot your Mercedes, remember to always have a voltmeter ready as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, please share and subscribe, and please give us a thumbs up and tap that bell for notifications. And to all of our Patreon supporters, a big thank you. And enjoy diagnosing electrical problems on your Mercedes, and remember, it may not be the alternator.